Thokozani Makhila, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Ngiyanibingelela futhi ilanga namhlanje. Uh, I'd like to apologize for not communicating, for not posting any videos due to my busy schedule in regards of Ukutwasa about our towers and having so many things. So I'd like to apologize. Now today I'd like to talk about the other part of Ukutwasa and symptoms of ukuthi amadlozi akuphatha kanjani, what you need to do, the 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 actions that you need to take so that you can understand what you're going through. You understand? Today I'm gonna talk about the elements, the effects that when you rejected this, what's going to happen to you. You understand? So ihamba ngaleyo ndlela leyo bantu abadala ukuthi you need to understand, you need to acknowledge whatever that you're going through. You understand? So that you can go forth within your life, so that you can live on with your life, so that you can see ukuthi impilo yakho bayimisa kanjani abantu abadala. You understand? So you do not need to reject this because of you see it as sinister, you see it as no, I cannot do this is too hard for me. No, like for instance, yes, this coronavirus, we're all panicking, but we have accepted that seykhona empilweni zethu, and we need to acknowledge it so that we can tackle it ngendlela ekahle so that ukuthi singayinqoba. Uyathola mos. So nalento le yamadlozi into esinjalo isifo kahle kahle nalento yamadlozi. You understand? So now ngithi asikhulukeni bantu abadala, asiphahleni bantu abadala ukubonakala. Now effect number one, this is all about your soul. This is all about your soul. Your soul depends on the other souls. Your soul ayikho eyi-one emzimbeni wakho. Ziba ningi so that you can be, so that you can grow and be whoever you want to be. It's because of you need this support structures, you need this support of these other souls within your body. You understand? And the fact remains is that your soul, it's about 10% within your body, and then this other souls mazingena emzimbeni wakho, they take the whole 90%. So that's why at some point you lose control over your body. You don't understand what's going on over your body because la muscles lawo ayabanga, kuba nomsindo, kuba nesiphithiphithi esenzakalayo phakathi kuwena. That's why you end up having like, let me see, you end up losing your mind, like you have mental problems. It's because of sesuka segijima phezu kwekhanda ngoba umzimba wakho and your soul, they're trying to fight this whole 90% of other souls. So that's why you end up being miserable. That's why you end up uphume endlini uzibuza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani, kanti no, you do not need to fight it, because when you're fighting it, definitely sure you're fighting a losing battle. At the end, you're the one who's going to lose. You get the drift. So now mawangena namadlozi phakathi kuwena, they extend and abezi nje ngezandla bangaphethanga lutho. They tend to pull back. They tend to pull back the gifts. They tend to pull back the luck. They tend to pull back certain things because of you ignoring them, because of you neglecting them, because of ukuthi nje awubafuni nje nhlobo ingakho ezinye izinto zakho zingahlangani. That's why you have financial problems, because when amadlozi angena kuwo aza ngey'nhlanhla ey'thize, they come with certain things, certain luck empilweni yakho, baza ngenye indlela nje yokutshengisa ukuthi you will never go through this alone. So now that's why I'm saying to you guys ukuthi amadlozi mawangena awangeni nje budedengu bangaphethanga lutho. It's impossible. Bangena baphethe ezinye izinto ezokwazi ukuthi zikusize ukuthi ukwazi ukuqedelela lento bafuna ukukunika yona. You understand? So now financial problems comes from there, because they think that you ignoring them, you fighting them, they're gonna fight back, and whatever that they bring along with them, they want to put it aside, and they want to make sure that they're gonna fight you with whatever they have. So that's why you will end up being broke, losing your house, losing your car, losing your family. Is because of the fighting you. And I want you guys to understand when amadlozi are good, they tend to include each and every one that you surrounded with. each and every single thing that you love and desire. Ukuthi nje bathatha ngisho kwasani abakhethi balala anything, they don't even care because of they think you don't care about them. You understand? And for you ukuthi ube lo muntu okuyena ngoba lento la ivele ivumbuke nje esikhaleni uzala nayo. Bakukhethile kube kwaba nomhlangano ukuze ube khona ngoba bafuna ukukusebenzisa. You understand? So ngaleyo ndlela leyo abantu abadala, you need to understand ukuthi izinto ezinjalo zinyamalala. Going through those chaos troubles is because of your ignorance and not understanding. So today I want you to understand that ukuthi isebenza ngale ndlela yonke into oyenzayo, it's based on those souls that within your body and that you need to understand. So now kufanelekile ukuthi ihlale khona le mqondo nakho ngoba each and every single thing oyenza uyenza nabo. Your anger towards these things will shorten certain things in your life. Because one thing for sure, into le eyidinga le amadlozi lento bayifuna nje azikho zimbija. First thing, they do not want you to get angry. They do not want you to cry every day. They just want peace. That's it. Accepting it wholeheartedly will help you to your life to be better. Izokusiza ukuthi ezinye izinto zivule ngendlela efanelekile. Your life as a whole, like whatever blockage ekhona empilweni yakho izohamba isuke ngoba ukhulule ezinye izinto ezikhona la enhlizweni yakho. You understand? Ayifuni ukungabaza, ayifuni ukudinwa, ayifuni ukudinekelwa. You understand? So that's why I'm saying to you, don't fight this because you will fight a losing battle. That's for sure. Now it's very important for you to understand all this because definitely sure, let me tell you something again. You'll end up losing you'll end up losing you'll end up losing certain people that you love. You know why it gets there, and it starts with your babies. It gets there because of those souls that was within you. They tend to eat your whole life. They eat your soul out, and then they will make sure that at the end you are the last one who will end up losing yourself, losing your life, losing whatever. I'm not saying this to what you need to or anything. No, I'm just making you aware what was ifike lapho. Abantu abadala have this mentality, and bear in mind they do not think as thina abantu sicabanga ngakhona phansi komthunzela. Bona banendlela yabo yokucabanga, bona banendlela yabo yokwenza izinto. That's why nanoma siphupha singa-understand nawuphupho wabo ngoba aza ngenye indlela ethize. Bona they think ukuthi mabakutshela into but straight and they done with whatever that they told you. You need to understand it whether you like it or not. So isebenza ngale ndlela ukuthi whatever danger, whatever problems that one faces, it's because of isimo amadlozi bazanazo baza baphethe ikhali. Le khali amabhobo la uba nabo ihlaba lezi, those small little needles ozizwa ngathi sisu sakho uba namahlala. It's because amadlozi baza baphethe ikhali, and once you feeling those iphakathi lakho like isiso sakho siyamoshakala. That's why you end up uba like nje uzohlala constipated, uzohlala ugqula umoya ngoba kunempi inside you. Literally kunempi inside you. You understand? Kunempi ethize manje bakuhlasela ngoba wena have this anger towards them, so they're angry as well. You in a battlefield naxabana. So that's why izinto zakho ngaphakathi uzogula ngaleyo simo esinjalo ukuthi manje uyahlangahlangana. So ukufa kungena ngendlela ukuthi manje sebeze bakwatile bona amadlozi wakho sekuyi-enemy yakho. Ayithola into engisho. So now immediately you saying towards it, it's a problem. It's like they have a list. You understand? Immediately saying, I don't want to do this. They mark. You understand? And then they shorten something in your life. You understand? You'll end up losing everything because of that. You understand? Immediately, so you're going to church. You say, I'm going to pray for this. I want to close it. They're gonna mark you down, and then they're gonna eliminate something in your life. Literally, you're gonna end up losing something major in your life because of you said, I wanna close. Immediately you're trying to close this door, other door ziyavaleka ngenye indlela edithi usathane and kuzoba nzima ukuthi zivuleke. You understand? So immediately say, this is demonic or something. They're marking it down. They eliminate something from you. They take something from you. You understand? So that you can see how serious this is within your life. You understand? So kubalulekile ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zihlala nizinakile. Immediately nje we reject. Immediately kukhuluma something negative about it. Definitely sure they're gonna do something negative about you. They're gonna talk something negative about you. Nothing nice but only bad things. That's why you end up being in car accidents. You understand? That's why you end up losing your babies. That's why you end up losing your businesses. That's why you end up having financial problems. That's why you end up losing your mind. That's why you end up losing yourself because your soul is being taken out of you. Like khona into esuswa kuwena, kuba nento ebakhona esuswa kuwena ngoba you have rejected them. You understand? So please do understand this symptoms, this elements lezi ngizibekela lama effects lawo nginibekela wona ukuthi, and again ningawazibini ngoba you end up cutting your life short because of whatever ideas you have in your mind, whatever thoughts you have in mind. You understand? Please do understand that and make sure you don't even like neglect, reject anything. You understand? Because immediately trying to close it, you're gonna make it worse. Immediately trying to eliminate it, you're gonna make it worse. Don't, because lento iyanaba. That's why you find in one family 5 people bathwasile, because from le mandulo abantu abadala bayirejectile manje iyanaba. It spreads. It spreads ngenye indlela ethi usathane ingene ebantwaneni ingene ebantwini. You understand? You understand? So it's very important for you to understand that and make sure that ukuthi uyawalalela amadlozi, ukhuluma nawo, uyaphahla, and you acknowledge them. So if you don't understand anything, make sure you comment. Let's communicate about this and let's see how we understand kwamele kwenzakala. Ndiyasale ngidlule emabhadini because of our reject amadlozi, our neglect, like our talk. So to have a better life and extended life, make sure you don't reject them because yibo baphethe izandla impilo yakho ezandleni. So akubeni kuhle, dodobumnyama kuvele kukhanya. Ndawo.